It's been a while since I did a plane review. Last time it was with the Concorde, I believe. Is that a SpaceX rocket? Whoa. Also did a review about this one that is hanging in my son's bedroom. Also did a review about this beautiful 747 from KLM that is now standing in the living room. And today it will be another 747. It arrived in this box. It comes from Aliexpress. Cost around 40, 50 euro, maybe a little bit more. Unfortunately, it's the version with no lights. There we go. What is the brand? Well, I don't know. I think it's aircraft model brand. H14 Plus. It comes in this box. And that is the information of the box. There's no barcode, there's no nothing. That probably means it's a non-licensed product. It is packed very well. Oh, I have to show it on camera. Here it is. Whoa, Pan Am. Wait a minute. This is the version with light. I thought it was another 747. That means I have another 747 somewhere. Interesting. Yeah, let's take it out of the plastic. Wow, nice. We got a nice display stand. Yep. With a little bit of felt underneath it so it won't scratch your desk, table. A little bit of plastic here and here. We got the model, which is pretty heavy. It's made out of plastic, but the details are very good. Now, I'm not an aviation expert. I'm not a 747 expert. So if you see something that is wrong, please let me know in the comments. Here we have the off-on switch, and you can load micro USB. And this is for the display stand, so it won't fall off. Okay, let's place this right here on the side, and I have to make sure the camera is in a good position. Yeah, I'm doing it very amateuristic, I know, but then you also know this is no AI video. Okay, you have to be careful with these wings to get it out. Yes, because you can break it. So this is the wing, blade, engine details for the turbine. So I do it like this. I have to do it with one hand, so a little bit of, and then you can take it out. I totally forgot about this one. Wow, beautiful Pan Am. I recently, or not recently, it's a while ago, there is some tape here. I have to get that off. Is that doable with one hand? Oh no, probably not. Oh yes, it is. There we go. Place it right here. I filmed a huge Pan Am model plane. And you could see the interior. It was amazing. It is on my YouTube channel. If you type in Pan Am model plane or something like that, you will find it. I made a short video of it. And it was actually for sale for like 35,000 euro or dollar. Can't remember the exact price. It was amazing. And I think you get these kind of models if you're buying a real one. So it's pretty special that it is in Pan Am plane. This one is a little bit smaller, but I'm really happy. And I'm also happy that it comes with light. Can we see it? Can we see everything? Is the camera good? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, it's very easy. What should I do first? First, we're going to do the landing gear. So we get this one right here. There is also, okay. So we need, this one is for here. Yes. Perfect fit. And I got another one right here. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah. Good rolling wheels, by the way. Then we got this one for in the front. I think I have to install it like this. Yep. Oh, sorry. Okay. And then we go for the wing. Have to do it like this, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh. Maybe this one is better. Oh, almost broke it. I think it should be like this. Huh? Oh. This one came off. Easy fix. Easy fix. And then we have this other one right here. And we're going to place it. And be careful, because you have only one wheel. If you break it, then you have to glue it. Okay, there we go. Place this on right here. Man, that's not an easy fit. Oh, there we go. I have to use a little bit of power. Yep, there it is. And then the other side. So I'm starting in the front and then to the back and then in the front again. Yeah, that's nice. Now that is. Oh, that is already looking good. My God. Oh. Phew. From a distance, it looked like there are no wings for the back. Ah, there are. They are in the package. Phew. One and two. There we go. And we're going to place them. There's also, yeah. Let's go over here. It's a little bit of pressure. This one goes a little bit easier. There we go. plane is ready for takeoff. Now, there's only one thing to do. Testing the lights. I found out that something is missing. The two hatches here. Because on the other 747, you see, there they are. And they're not there, they're missing. Now, it's not a super big thing. But yeah, sometimes you have these kind of problems with these model planes. Especially the ones from Aliexpress, I guess. Yeah, back to the light. Power bank with a little bit of energy. And then a micro USB. Now we're going to place the micro USB in here. We see a red light, so that means it's charging. Ah, there was already a little bit of light burning. Place it in off position. I don't see the red light anymore. Does that mean it's not charging or what? Now I see the red light burning again, and the light also goes on. It's not permanently. After a couple of seconds it will shut down. We'll wait for that. I think it's around 20 seconds. And then you have to clap or make a loud sound, and then it goes on again. Not now. I think I'll have to charge it for a while. I see the light is still burning, so we're going to place it right here on the display stand, and then it can charge. Plane is now fully charged. Switch is on. The only thing we have to do is clap. There we go. Looks very nice. Oh, this is also a nice thumbnail. Click. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon with more Diecast. And yes, another 747 is coming soon. One more time. Awesome.